Marius' first midday flight.
Line her up. Coming straight at us now, that's good. You got a bit of a crosswind here, so keep her coming straight down the hill.
Switch his arms yet. There you go.
Run. Nice!
Yeah, baby!
Perfect! Perfect!
Oh, yeah!
That's it! That's a crosswind landing, buddy! Nicely done!
Wow!
Nicely done!
Superstar.
Thanks, Randy. Thanks,
Yeah.
Dave. That was good. Played a little
Wow.
bit with the air.
Lift up there.
Yeah.
How'd that feel, man? First active air flight.
Good.
Just like Superman, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm
cool.
ready for more thermals.
That's good, buddy.
Right on. That was awesome.
That's hey, you did it good. That was a perfect crosswind landing. The wind was coming right across,
Yeah.
and you just had her nicely.
I had my eyes on the target.
Yeah.
Am I on target?
You're on target.
Wow, you're nailed.